Zach's garage back here again. You can notice anything different about the video. I'm using a new phone, but I haven't been making videos in a while because I haven't had the time or the want to make one. But I guess I decided right now to make one after I'm done with this V-twin. Tell me what y'all guys think about it. This is a swamp mule update and shop update as well. I think that red looks nice. And this is a John Deere carburetor off of a John Deere but I bought it off eBay. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I think I paid like $30 for it, for the whole setup, the carburetor and the intake manifold. I made the spacer myself. This was a Kawasaki V-twin inlet. I just gotta finish off the PCV. I gotta get a tube to go from here to here. Probably run a catch can on it as well. I'm thinking about running a catch can, but I'm not too sure. But I just got done painting this. And see it right there? You see it? See it? See it? Yeah, that's a regulator. I put the stator that operates that regulator finally in here. So here's the old stator. That was what was in there originally, but no more, because I want to have that on there, because there's going to be things in the future. I'm not revealing them right now, but there's going to be things that are going to be on this tractor that are going to be on here that y'all going. I know I'm going to like them, but y'all might like them as well. But other than that, tell me what you think about that. And Murray update. Y'all want to know anything but the Murray? Here it is. Move that out of the way. Here's the Murray. Nothing's different. It's just that's been in my shop. Oh, yeah, that's different. Yeah, that's right. Got the transaxle back in it. I gotta change out these the way I got the hubs on there. I gotta change out the hubs, and those wheels are not gonna be what's on there. It's gonna be like what's on the Craftsman right there. For some reason, I can point over here, and it looks like I can point right there. It looks like I'm pointing all the way over here. I don't know why, but yeah. But I just got done doing that, and this will probably also be a tool review as well as a swamp mule and the shop update. I'm gonna just label it as shop update. So, but there's a part for the 14 and a half. I'll tell you the story about that in a minute. Okay, these lights, beginning with these lights, they're hyper tough, I think. Hyper tough lights. I've had them for about several months now, and there's been water intrusion on them. Right here, let me just see if I need to focus on this. And there's not this side, but I know that one over there, there's been water on top of it, but it doesn't affect the light. I don't know what it is. I still got that little one back there. It's I don't know what it is. I got it like 3 years ago. Okay, Craftsman. One little change has happened with the Craftsman. Not a functional change, but it's a underneath the hood change. Right there. Right there. 16 horse. It used to have a 14.5 on it. But why I did that was because I had rebuilt that engine, and if you notice anything, that is not the original head to this motor. So what this is now, it's a 16 horse block, which it's a, hold up, give me a second, 31 cubic inch block. as you can see, hopefully, right, trying to get it. See if we can focus. It won't say. 31 cubic inch block with a 21 cubic inch head on it, which it came off a 10.5 horse or 11.5, something like that. Around the 10 to 11.5, maybe 13. Yeah, from 10 to 13 horse overhead valve. Not the old flatheads or whatever, but same thing has happened with this motor, the 14.5, which it's sitting, even painted the flywheel. But you can tell there's a lock, there's the head. The head's a different color than the block is. And it looks like I got a leakage over here. Maybe not, but that's a 10.5 horse head on there, so that means that's 21 cubic inch with a 28 cubic inch motor. So, but I'm thinking about getting a new cover, getting like just a generic Murray cover or something. Probably just a generic Murray, because I can get one of those really easily. So, what I'm doing right now. So, but can any of y'all take a guess what that motor is right there? Not the Honda. That one right there in the corner. I got a fan over there in the corner. Got some ramps from Harbor Freight. I think I paid like $76, $78 for those. I've used them a couple times. I like them so far. But got that Honda motor there. They got the Briggs right behind it. Yes, I know this video is longer than 5 minutes, but it's been a while since I made a video. So, got chainsaw down there, chainsaw right over there. There's the old carburetor. Let's see if I can zoom in. Can I zoom in? Ooh. Right there. There's the old carburetor off that swamp mule. That thing's garbage. I hate those carburetors. Can never get them right. Got the stick welder there. Just doing a shop tour of what I got right now. But if you notice, the MIG welder is nowhere to be found. I still have it. I'm having to do some modification to it. I gotta put a new torch lead in it. I put a new ground cable on it. I haven't got the clamp yet. I needed the clamp. And I'm also converting it from a always hot to a switched, where when I pull the trigger, it activates the lead. But got a pile of junk over there. I'm gonna hold it. Got a new project right there. That little red cover right there. That is a 12.5 horse flathead that I want to rebuild. But there's something else I want to talk about. But you might be wondering why I haven't been making videos for a while, but because I've been working, and maybe wondering what I do for work in this line of mowers. Not this style, but what they were originally, like lawnmower mechanic. And where I work at, we do sometimes automotive on the guys' stuff, but do lawnmower repair. That's why I said, when I said I could get that cover for a 19 or 14.5 Murray, I said I could get it for real easily, probably nothing at all. That's what I meant by that, how to get one of those where I work at. 17 horse twin. You may be wondering why I got that. I got that from a friend. I do not know if it runs, but he said it runs, but I'm not too sure about that. But got to go through the carburetor, and it is a 42 cubic inch 96 year. So, but I'll be back in a second. That 17 horse twin, I got it pretty much for free, and nothing much has changed around the shop, other than me trying to reorganize because I want to build a bench back there to work on. I'm going to get rid of our, no, I'm not going to get rid of that, but I just want to get everything off, like little, like these little boxes right here. I'm pointing and I'm not showing, but, and that one right there, I want to get them on a bench, because if you see this thing right here, it's starting to lean that way. So there's my diesel tank booth, cleaning booth. Y'all know about this. I had to take these outside, bring these outside, because I got tired of them being in here. But I like them better out here because they're easy to work on out here. I don't have to drag them out. Yeah, the motor I got on here right now is that 10 and a half, that 14 horse. That used to be on my Craft. I don't remember if I ever showed that on there. I probably did, but now I got this frame because I want to do a little project with it. Between it and a Craftsman, that's a project I want to do. Got my trailer over there. I don't think I've made a video of it yet. I don't think I have. So I want to. There's some little things I want to redo about that. I'm not happy with it. I want to do smaller tires for one, because I think it sits like this when it's behind the mower. But especially with my setup, I guess it's too high for my setup. Even though my hitch is a little bit higher, it's like, there's the original. It's like up to that little line right there. It's right there, and mine is about right there. Okay, here's another project right here. Turn like this. I don't know if it turned with it, but that is a Murray as well. But the plan with that thing is it's going to be a racing mower. Has no rear end in it. There's the rear end sitting right there, 5-speed, and that's a 6-speed. But talking about that, there's that transmission that goes to that motor in the shop. But yeah, that's gonna be a future project. Not right now, but it's gonna be in the future. Hence the term future. But and one thing I like to do, or like to show you, is this drill bit kit I got about around Christmas time. I actually like it. It's titanium, I think, or carbon. I think titanium. I've used these so far. I like them. I like these drill bits. But okay, long-awaited tool review, shop review / tool review / actually it started off as Swamp Mule shop update and tool review. Here they are. These are Porter cable, not including the impact. That's the Craftsman. Porter cable, impact, and drill driver. I paid $135 for these. Caught them on sale, and I've used them pretty good so far. But got a battery gauge on them, which I like that for sure. And this one I like it because I like it having two separate drivers, so I can have this one set up, and I can just swap right over to this one and swap from this one back to this one. I had the Black & Decker, what was that thing called? It was a Black & Decker Matrix with the drill attachment and the impact attachment, which I didn't like either one of those. It didn't have enough torque, it didn't have enough drilling power, and it didn't have this speed selector. But so far I've had them for about a few months, and I like them. I recommend them, highly recommend them. But that's enough of me ranting. But here's the shop for now, and I recommend these lights. I think I paid like $12 or $22. I think $22 for them, and I like them. Got 3 of them here. So Oh, you may be wondering what's on this, what this paint on here is. That is, it's Rust-Oleum undercoating paint. I like this stuff so far. I've used it a couple times. I don't like it. But on this fan out here, let me show you about that. I also bought an angle grinder from Harbor Freight. It's a Drill Master. I actually like it. Here it is right here. That's an undercoating as well, right here. As you can see, it's a squirrel cage fan. The part I cut this out with, I used it as a little roof over it, so rain just falls right over it like that. So rain doesn't go back in. It may go back in no matter what, but less of a chance. It's going to take me a minute to get back into video taking and getting used to how to hold the camera. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. There's an angle grinder. I know it's on the ground, wet ground, but it fell down there just a while ago. See, it's a Drill Master. I've used it a handful of times, and I still like it. But I won't really recommend it because I've heard horror stories about them. But tell me your experiences with these Harbor Freight Drill Master angle grinders. Leave a comment down below. Hopefully, I'll try to post all the stuff I've used on this and the Swamp Mule in the description below. Give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And until next time.